don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, both speed and my heart is racing.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be on Bunny BB LLC. Yay! Bath and Body Works products, all handmade, okay? All natural ingredients, okay? Like it just doesn't get any better than that, okay? Not only that, like, stuff smells really good. Okay, it's good. So yeah, and I have a new what is this? A backdrop. I have a new backdrop. But yeah, okay, so as you guys know, I am the brand ambassador of Bunny BB LLC. This Bath and Body Works product, and everything is natural and handmade. So I just wanted to come to you guys to let you guys know that you will be able to get a 25% off discount and also free shipping with my name. So you would go to the website and use my name, NENE, as your little discount code, and it's going to give you 25% off as well as free shipping for any products that you select off of this website, okay? Not only that, I also, yeah, okay, it's 25%. All right, but yeah, so I also wanted, you guys know that I get a monthly subscription of the products that is handmade, okay, and all natural. Not only that, if you guys do a little, just a little brief researching, it's so much more healthier to use all natural ingredients for skincare. I can't stress that enough, okay? But like I was saying, back to the monthly subscription, okay? Your girl got something here. I got something, and this is vanilla and lavender hand lotion. Oh my god, smells so good, lasts all day, okay? I keep this in my car. I travel with it. Like, this is I'm almost out of this. It's almost empty, but I love this, okay? So you go on their website, you get you one of these, all right? 25% off and free shipping, okay? But yeah, and I also have, I'm gonna say it again, your girl got a backdrop. I actually got my pictures and stuff in there. Like, I'm just so spoiled with this company, y'all. I am, like, oh my goodness. Yeah, excuse me, my camera is a little rusty, okay? But yeah, there come my little picture. That's my picture right here, and right here. That's my picture too. Ain't I just so cute, y'all? But yeah, y'all go and get y'all 25% off, okay? Go get you 25% off and free shipping. You know the holidays is coming up. It's finna be winter. You know our skin get dry when it be winter, so you know you need to rack up and hydrate. Make sure your skin is moisturized, okay? So thank y'all so much for watching and sharing, subscribing, and just thank y'all for the support. Like, overall, just thank you. If you are not following me on Instagram, make sure you follow me on Instagram. I got a vlog that's coming up, okay? I'm starting to travel more, y'all, and everything. Like, Instagram is the first platform to get anything, okay? So follow your girl on Instagram, okay? Twitter as well. You can follow me on Twitter, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for my channel here. All right, I just want to say thank you guys so much, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.